Are you ready to rejuvenate your skin and say goodbye to dryness and aging? Introducing our Real Snail Essence, packed with 96.3% Snail Secretion Filtrate to repair and revitalize your skin from within. Experience the power of Snail Mucin, a key ingredient known for its exceptional moisturizing properties, delivering deep hydration and soothing damaged skin. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a natural, healthy glow with our lightweight essence that absorbs quickly for a non-greasy, long-lasting hydration. Rest assured, our Snail Mucin is sourced in an environmentally friendly manner, ensuring no harm to the snails, making it both natural and hypoallergenic. Dermatologist-tested and safe for sensitive skin, our essence is perfect for those looking to enhance skin vitality and combat aging signs. Join the league of skincare enthusiasts who trust our product for its skin repair, moisturization, and anti-aging properties. For dehydrated, dull, or sensitive skin, our essence is your go-to solution for healthy, hydrated, and radiant skin. Try our Snail 96 Mucin Essence today and witness the transformative effects on your skin. Your skin deserves the best.